So cut a rectangle of dimension 17 by 39 centimeters. Using the piece as a standard, cut 3 more similar pieces. And now cut 4 pieces of rectangle of dimension 15 by 39 centimeters. By now, we have 4 pieces of dimension 79 by 39 centimeter and 4 of 15 by 39 centimeter. Now we are going to start pasting these pieces. So first we have to start by pasting the bigger piece, that is of 79 by 39. And then on the same flap we have to paste another piece of 59 by 39 centimeters. I think I have made myself clear that on the same flap we have to use one piece of 59 by 39 centimeter and other one of 79 by 39 centimeter. The first will be pasting 17 one and then the 15 one. In the similar manner, you have to cover this entire table by cutting small pieces. After you are done, your table should look something like this. And let me tell you, this table has numerous uses. You can use it to keep flower pot on it or any other decor material. You can also use it as a corner. And even you can compartmentalize it between the flaps and you can use it for storage.